What up, guys? Kuya240 here with a new unboxing video. We got a part in today. We just marked it off the board. We got the rack and pinion right here. So one last thing down. Hopefully this weekend we're gonna put in the radiator. It's right there. The rack and pinion in. Our boys are coming through, and we're gonna work on it this weekend. And then the car will be drivable. We're gonna be able to drive it. Start it up. Hopefully, the turning and everything is chill on it. And yeah, we're gonna get it done and take it out. We don't have any seat brackets for the seats just yet. Like, it's just in there. But we'll drive it anyways. Drive it around the block, get it going. Super excited for that. It's gonna be a great milestone for this car to get it out there and everything. So yeah, super chill. But let's get this unboxing video taken care of. So here's the box that it came in. I'm gonna open her up now. All right, here she is. Let me hold this box down. All right, let's take a look at it. So here it is, brand new. All right, not a used part like a few of our other parts, but yeah, so we finally got her in. So we got the rack and pinion in. We have the power steering fluids for it as well that we bought. But yeah, it's kind of a short video. I just want to unbox it. There's really not that much there. It's just this that's in there. So, chill, quick unboxing video, you know what it is. But yeah, guys, the car itself, it's right there. Taken care of, getting her done. We're gonna put in the radiator this weekend. Kind of our checklist of the things that we have done, the things that I want with it, that's taken care of. And then this is our transmission, what we have and what we still need. But yeah, so we got a lot done, as you guys can see. We got all the water taken care of, the sparks, the fuel, other small things like that. And then all the needs is, besides the seat brackets to drive it, and not fall out of a car. This is just a lot of what to make her look amazing. I'm like that or that car. She's gonna be cherry. Best believe she's gonna be cherry. But yeah, hopefully you guys stay tuned for the next videos of the installing of this rack pinion, of this radiator, and then we'll do another video of the attempt to start her up, the attempt to drive her around the block a few times. I don't want to take on the street too far or anything like that because no seats, not safe. But we'll drive around the block for sure, and we'll make a video on that and get her done. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and as always, drive safe out there and keep it sideways. Peace out.